I've never seen that before. And what you can do now is I can actually grab this. You see, that's my dashboard. I can grab this and put it into the middle. Now that's my dashboard. But why would you want the steering wheel here with 2 seats in the front? Because what you can do is you can actually move all of this. That slowly turns back. Now you could, in theory, start sitting like this, but it gets much better. How crazy is that? When I first saw that, my jaw hit the floor. So now you can literally sit with your friends, but more importantly, you can now drive from the middle of the car. That is absolutely mind-blowing. Also, this can actually come forward. So you just grab that. You can literally activate a button so that all of this comes forward. So you actually get a screen that you can now use as a little control menu. And the guys in the back can enjoy a nice little cup of tea. And if you want something a little bit colder, you can just push that down like that, drink a little wine. This is actually the Way. It's a Way concept car. Take a look at the wheels. Looks like something straight out of a science fiction movie. And more importantly, the front of the car looks incredible. So we can actually turn all of this off. And then when you turn it on, you get a little breathing. Like that. That's pretty sick.